Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Teacher Sam, and I help you learn real-life English the easy way. Today's lesson is very practical. We're talking about how to speak English at the doctor's office. Whether you're traveling abroad, living in an English-speaking country, or just want to feel more confident using medical vocabulary, this video is for you. In this video, we'll go through a real conversation with a doctor, how to describe your symptoms clearly, how to ask for a prescription, and we'll finish with useful medical words and phrases. So, stay with me till the end and practice speaking along with me. Ready? Let's begin with how to describe your symptoms clearly. You're about to hear a dialogue between a doctor and a patient in a quiet doctor's office.
Good morning, Olivia. What brings you in today?
Hi, Dr. Ben. I haven't been feeling well for a few days. I have a headache and I feel really tired.
I see. When did your symptoms start?
About 3 days ago. It started with a sore throat, then I got a fever.
Have you had any coughing or difficulty breathing?
Yes, I've been coughing a lot, especially at night.
Okay. Any chest pain?
A little, especially when I breathe in deeply.
All right. Let me take your temperature and check your lungs.
Let's review some key phrases from this conversation. I haven't been feeling well. It started with a sore throat. I've been coughing a lot. I feel really tired. I have a sore throat and a fever. These are all natural, polite, and clear ways to describe how you feel. Try repeating them out loud with me. Now, let's continue the dialogue about how to ask for a prescription.
All right. I think you have a mild case of the flu. I'll write you a prescription for some medicine to help with the fever and the cough.
Thank you, doctor. Could you tell me how to take the medicine?
Of course. Take 1 tablet every 8 hours after meals. And make sure to drink plenty of fluids and get some rest.
Got it. Can I get this medicine at any pharmacy?
Yes, any local pharmacy should have it. Just give them this prescription.
Thanks so much. Do I need to come back for a checkup?
Only if you don't feel better after 5 days. If symptoms get worse, come back right away.
Nice work. Let's take a look at some key expressions from this conversation. 1. Can you tell me how to take the medicine? 2. Take 1 tablet every 8 hours. 3. Can I get this at any pharmacy? 4. Do I need to come back for a checkup? It's super important to ask clearly about your medicine. Here's a tip. Write down any questions you want to ask the doctor before your visit. Now let's learn some useful medical words that come up often when visiting the doctor. I'll say the word, then explain it. Repeat after me. 1. Fever, meaning a high body temperature. 2. Cough, meaning when your throat forces air out suddenly. 3. Sore throat, meaning pain or irritation in the throat. 4. Prescription, meaning a note from the doctor to get medicine. 5. Tablet, meaning a pill or small piece of medicine. 6. Pharmacy, meaning a place where you buy medicine. 7. Symptoms, meaning signs that something is wrong with your body. 8. Checkup, meaning a regular medical examination. 9. Diagnosis, meaning the doctor's opinion on what illness you have. 10. Flu, meaning short for influenza, a common viral illness. Now let's practice using them in short sentences. Repeat with me. I have a fever and a sore throat. I went to the pharmacy to get my prescription. The doctor gave me a tablet for the cough. My symptoms started 2 days ago. I need to go for a checkup. Now, let's listen to a role play between 2 friends. One of them is giving advice after a doctor's visit.
Hey, Olivia, how are you feeling? You sound sick.
Yeah, Rachel, I went to the doctor. I have the flu.
Oh no. What did the doctor say?
He gave me a prescription and told me to rest.
Did you get the medicine?
Yes, I picked it up at the pharmacy. I need to take it after meals.
Take care, drink a lot of water, and sleep well.
Thanks. I hope I feel better soon.
Use this conversation to practice with a friend, or just shadow the dialogue. Repeat what they say and copy the pronunciation. This is how your fluency improves. Remember, confidence comes with practice. So, repeat the sentences out loud, write them down, and shadow the dialogues in this video as much as you can. Let's talk more about this idea because it's so important for every English learner. When you want to become fluent and sound natural in English, it's not just about learning grammar or memorizing vocabulary. It's about practice. Real, daily, consistent practice. Many learners ask me, how can I speak English confidently? Or how do I stop being nervous when I talk to people in English? And my answer is always the same. You need to practice, not just with your eyes or ears, but with your mouth. You need to speak. You need to repeat. You need to shadow. Shadowing means listening to native speakers and repeating exactly what they say at the same time or just a second after. You try to copy their tone, rhythm, pronunciation, and speed. It's like being their shadow. That's why we call it shadowing. This is a powerful method. It helps you speak faster. It improves your accent. It makes you feel more confident. Because you're training your brain and your mouth to work together, just like native speakers do. Let me give you an example. Think of babies. How do babies learn to speak their first language? Do they study grammar books? Do they take writing tests? No. They listen. They copy. They repeat. Again and again and again. And slowly, they start to speak clearly and naturally. The shadowing technique follows this same idea. You are training your ears and mouth to work together naturally. You don't just study English. You become an English speaker. How to use this video for practice. Now, here's how you can use this video and every video on this channel for real practice. 1. Watch the dialogues. Watch the role play or conversation part carefully. Listen to how each sentence is spoken. Don't just focus on the words. Listen to the tone, speed, emotion, and pauses. 2. Repeat out loud. Pause the video. Go back and say each line out loud. Don't whisper. Don't just say it in your head. Speak with energy. Even if you're alone in your room, pretend you're speaking to someone. This will make your brain get used to producing the language, not just understanding it. 3. Write it down. Writing helps your memory. After listening and repeating, write the lines down. This will help you see the sentence structure, spelling, and punctuation more clearly. Writing also slows you down and helps you focus. 4. Shadow the whole conversation. Now comes the fun part. Play the dialogue and speak along with it. Try to match the speed. Try to copy the accent. Try to sound exactly like the speaker. This may be hard at first. That's okay. You're learning. With time, you'll get better and better. 5. Repeat regularly. Do this every day or as often as you can. Shadow the same video multiple times. Each time, you'll notice something new. You'll improve your listening. You'll boost your speaking. You'll become more confident. Practice leads to confidence. Confidence in English doesn't come from just watching videos. It comes from active learning, from using your voice, from training your brain. It comes from doing the work, speaking out loud, shadowing, repeating, and not giving up when it feels difficult. I know many learners feel shy or nervous when speaking English. That's totally normal. But remember this, every confident English speaker you've ever seen started just like you. They made mistakes. They forgot words. They got stuck. But they kept going. And they practiced every single day. A little every day is better than a lot once. You don't need to study for 5 hours a day. Even 15 to 30 minutes of active practice is enough if you do it regularly. Make it a habit. Set a timer. Practice one video. Repeat it. Shadow it. That's it. Do it again tomorrow. And the next day. And the next. In 1 week. you'll feel more comfortable. In 1 month, you'll speak more fluently. In 3 months, you'll surprise yourself with how much you've improved. Make your practice fun. English doesn't have to be boring. Try these tips to enjoy your practice more. Use headphones for better focus. Practice with a cup of tea or coffee. Make it relaxing. Practice while walking around. Let your body move. Use your phone to record your voice and listen back. Find a speaking partner and do shadowing together. The more fun you make it, the more likely you are to stick with it. And the longer you practice, the better your results will be. Don't worry about mistakes. Please remember, making mistakes is part of learning. It's not something to feel bad about. In fact, mistakes help your brain grow. Every time you forget a word, every time you say the wrong thing, you're learning. So speak, even if it's not perfect. Practice, even if you feel shy. Keep going. Your English will thank you for it. Build your confidence step by step. Here's a simple routine you can try every day using this video. 1. Watch one part of the video, dialogue, or explanation. 2. Pause and repeat each line out loud. 3. Write down the key expressions. 4. Shadow the full part without pausing. 5. Say it without looking, practice from memory. 6. Smile and celebrate your progress. If you do this every day, I promise your confidence will grow. Your speaking will improve. You will feel more natural in real conversations, at work, at school, with friends, or even in a job interview. You are doing great. If you're watching this video, that means you care about your English. You're here. You're learning. You're growing. And I want you to know, I'm proud of you. It's not easy to learn a new language. It takes time. It takes patience. But you're doing it. And you're not alone. There are millions of learners just like you, practicing every day, repeating out loud, shadowing with videos, and getting better step by step. So, remember, confidence comes with practice, not from just watching, not from just reading, but from using your voice, training your ears, moving your mouth, and staying consistent. Repeat the sentences out loud. Write them down. Shadow the dialogues in this video as much as you can. Make it a habit. Enjoy the process. Trust yourself. Keep going. You've got this. Let's keep learning together. And I'll be right here to guide you every step of the way. Let's review what we've learned today. 1. How to describe your symptoms clearly. 2. How to ask for a prescription. 3. 10 plus important medical vocabulary words. 4. A real conversation and practice dialogue. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more videos on real-life English. Have you ever visited a doctor in English? Share your experience or try writing a short dialogue in the comments. I'd love to read it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.